Alright guys, we got a new account. Let's go check it out. That's right, we're cutting a truck service. We got to cut all this. This area here. And this area all the way up to the fence. This area to the entryway, outside the fence. We got to string trim this area. And this area. That's enough talking. Let's do this. We'll show you what we got when we're through.
2.5 hours later.
Alright guys, we are through. I've still got to blow off, but Nate's already blown everything off. I'm going to take you on a quick walk around. See the back of that semi? I'm showing you that for a reason. That's what it did look like. This is what it looks like now. That's that side. That's this portion. This is this portion. Here's this portion. And this is this area. It's not pretty, but it's cut. And last but certainly not least, the section that Nate did. Alright guys, that's it for the day. I hope you enjoyed it. There will be a video done on this property sooner or later, but we needed to get it done as quickly as we could. Y'all have a good one.